We have Level Up with Multi-Pro Commercial Part 1 products and installation. We have G'day, GREE Comfort. I would like to know more about the Ceiling Concealed FP136-WAF-R Switchover installation, where an entry point can be switched from left hand to right hand. All right. So, generally speaking, we try to cover the equipment that would be sold in the United States and Canada, but I did take a look at that model number and its user manual on the on our global website. And it is a ducted unit for those who would like to know. It's a ducted unit where you can switch which side, you know, your power and piping and stuff like that is going to come in. And according to the installation instructions, I don't have familiarity with it myself, but according to the installation instructions, it is simply unplugging some wires, moving the control box to the other side, and plugging those wires back up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, not a whole lot to that. And we have discussed with the factories for some of the ducted units on the commercial side, maybe having that option. But right now we've got right hand and left hand options for the ducted units. Did anybody else look up anything about that unit?
No.
Okay, all right, I got you. Well, I immediately recognized that it was not something we carried.
Yeah.
But we know we tried our best. So if you are asking questions about GREE from other markets, please feel free to ask them. I mean, we like to know about what they got too. Sometimes in other markets, they might have features that we'd like to have here as well. So.
Thanks for getting involved. If you need more answers, catch us live every month when we tackle your questions in real time. Head over to greecomfort.com/GREE-training where you can register for the next Talking Comfort Live. See you there.